Okay guys, so these are the towels that we did from last time, our first video. So these are the ones that I wanted to show you. Here is the Mulan one and Elsa and Anna. Let's check on the towels that we were doing. So here is our bowl of water. Let's check, oh, whoa, that's a lot of water. So I remember that the mermaid one, Ariel one, was already finished and we were waiting on it. So now we are waiting on the Dolly girl from Toy Story, but I think she should be done. Let's just check this out. Let's take a look on how beautiful she is. So look, here is our Ariel, and as I showed you on the picture of how this one over here was going to look, here, remember these stripes over here that I was talking about? So that totally looks mermaid if you guys don't remember of that. You guys probably didn't even notice that, but she totally has like a mermaid like scaly. So you can't really see it on this picture, but guys, look how mermaidy that looks compared to her from this mermaid fantastic. So let's check on this one. Oh yeah, this one feels totally ready. So while our Ariel is drying off, let's squeeze. Okay. Woo. I think we're done squeezing over here. Let's move our bowl. And here she is. Again, guys, I told you I knew she had 3 of these sheep. Okay, here are the lipsticks that I chose. I think they're really pretty. Okay, I think my favorite, I don't know, maybe this one. This one I was super duper excited about. I think, look at that like shimmer. It's so pretty. I love it. And I also love that it has like this gold. It totally matches with the pink and the white. I think it's just beautiful. So I think these are cool, and I'm not sure, but I think these actually have a scent. Let's see. Doesn't say. Hopefully it will, because that will be really cool. And then this one actually has like a silver lip gloss on the bottom. It's like a double one, and that I think is really cool. So that's amazing. So I really like it. So here is pink, and here's a lip gloss that you could totally put on top, and on top of the lipstick, and I think it's beautiful. So we totally went with the pinkish color. I didn't even realize that. But that's super cool. So let's get started. Which one should we open? Let's open this one first, because this one I'm mostly excited for. Let's see if this has a scent even. So, let's get that open. Oh no. Rip it open. Ah. Okay, this isn't opening. Okay, here we go. I think we're starting to get it. Ooh. My trick of these is just crunching it up and getting it open. Okay. Guys, do you see this? We are actually getting it open. Wow, look at that. It's so shimmery and so pretty. Let's give you a little look close. Close up look. Love that gold on it. And that white with the pink, beautiful. The pink is like so like metallic and shimmery. Let's see if it has a scent. Oh, it does. It has like a bubblegum scent. Okay, let's see how this color really looks. Look, has like a very light pink. It smells super delicious. Look at all that sparkle. Imagine that on my lips. Wow, that will look beautiful. See all that shimmer to it? It's beautiful. So here is what it is. Let's leave it right there. While we open this one I'm also super excited about. I love the pink. So, oh, over here, look. It shows how the bottom one will look, but ours is gonna be more shimmery, not just this pink. And then the top one will look just like that. So excited. Oh my goodness, this isn't opening good. Make sure that you guys comment on our Instagram which one is your favorite. It'll go right here. Ugh. Oh no, this one's stuck. Okay, time to cut this. Hopefully that did something. Oh, yay! Oh my goodness. The lid popped. Okay, well, here is the lid. And look at this wrapping. It was so sticky that it actually sticked on there, but that's okay. So here's the lipstick. OMG, this is beautiful. We'll try that on after. Let's check out the lip gloss for now. Look how sparkly. You could totally put it on a top coat of your pink lipstick. So let's try that out. So let's put on the pink lipstick. Ugh, close that up. Try it on. Oh, whoa. That is so beautiful. Okay, now let's totally try it on. Okay, so I'm actually thinking right now that this might be the same as this, just this has more of a pinkish color. That would be also cool, because if we ever run out with this, that would be actually cool. Let's put it on top. Check out that. Okay, this adds a very nice shimmer to it. If you ever want like a glittery shimmer on your pink, shimmer. And if you want a really big shimmer, you could totally add the other one. Let's close this up. I know this isn't closing. Here we go. Just gotta push that and twist. Oh no, it's not closing. So let's just leave that aside. And let's open this one. Oop, I was opening it the wrong way. Wow. Guys, look at that, like, pops up. See that popping up? That's so cool. Oop. Let's try it if we put this on top of the pink. Let's just take some here. I don't want to put too much. Yeah, that gives it an extra shimmer. Shimmer, shimmer, shimmer. Love that. Okay. Since we opened both of our lipsticks, now I am going to show you them one more time. Here we go. I think they look both beautiful. Let's get a close look. So again, over here it got a little stuck with the glue. Maybe we could help it out a little. Yeah, no, that won't budge. Okay, so that's really cool. I love this pearl color. Beautiful. Matches totally with the pink. And then here again, this is pink and with shimmer. Love it. Beautiful. Okay. Now, guys, again, I am going to be finally showing you the theme.